Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 12th, 2022. We're going to give you a crypto.com crash update today. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do the price prediction. You guys can see right now on your screen. I got a price prediction already on the chart. I was telling you all where I was looking for the market to go before it actually got there. This is the edge that we have in the market, is to be one of the first ones to get in position and capitalize from the move. So if y'all like it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Join the team. Yeah, tap that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on my price predictions without the confusion. Let's see this. I did a video in crypto.com or CRO on February the 18th. Yeah, and look at the price. I was telling you all that the market was looking to go down in CRO, and that is exactly what happened. So I'm not surprised. I expected it to happen. I predicted it. I forecast that the price in CRO was going to go down, and that is exactly what happened. And not only did I expect the price to go down in CRO, look at this. I told you where the bottom was going to be before the market flipped from going down to starting to go back up. Right there. Simple. That's about 20% profitability. Done. Over. Let's look over to the next opportunity, right? So this is a crash update, right? I'm not going to necessarily say it's a crash. Let me keep it real. I'm not necessarily seeing a crash on the chart right now in crypto.com, but one thing we definitely need to focus in on is this trend. All right. Now, price in CRO, if it breaks this trend, then yeah, we may in fact see a crash, because this is actually the only thing that's keeping this price up is the trend. Right? So we need to pay attention. We need to see whether or not the market in CRO is going to be able to keep that price from falling, if that ascending line is going to be able to be maintained. Because if not, guess what? We need to get prepared for a further movement to the downside. So let's do this real quick. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and get rid of this line up here, because price doesn't look like it has enough momentum to come up there. And one thing about me, I'm a very staunch advocate of having a clean chart. The cleaner the chart, the better you can see what the market is trying to tell you. So let me get rid of that. There you go. That looks a lot cleaner. Now, let's keep it real. This was the FUD stage, or the FOMO stage, right? This was FOMO. People jumped in. There was a lot of hype going on about crypto.com. So much hype that even people on YouTube were telling you to come in and buy the FUD. They was telling you all to continue to buy this cryptocurrency as price continued to fall. Why would they do that? The market clearly is telling you that it is weak. The chart is telling you that the price in CRO is weak. But yet and still, you got people out here on these streets trying to tell you to come in and buy this market, because eventually one day price will go up, right? This is what they always say. Let's see what's going on in CRO on the 2 weeks time frame, because we want to gauge how long can this price really maintain the trend. Because if we're still seeing weakness right now as price is trading alongside this ascending line, if we're still seeing weakness, we need to get prepared that the market may actually break the trend to the downside. And you don't think everybody else sees this? Like, everyone else has access to this chart. Everyone else has access to see what's going on. Everyone. So from that standpoint, this is a even playing field. Everyone has access to the same type of information. That looks weak. Okay. What about on 5 weeks? This looks weak as well in CRO on the 5-weekly time frame. Now we got a day and 7 hours left, but for us to see over the last 5 weeks, price trying to go up, to get rejected, and now we're trading right back here on this ascending line, lets us know that the market is in fact still weak. Okay. Now the thing that I wanted to show you guys can see it. This is where the buyers came into the market in CRO. Okay. Right here at the high, they came in on this 5-weekly price bar, which is around 34 cents. That is where the buyers came in. And they came in numerous times. They did it here on this 5-weekly price bar on November the 15th. They did it again on January the 3rd, and they're trying to do it right now. So I cannot emphasize how important 34 cents is going to be going forward, because it's going to be real important. Keep that in mind. So now let's hit this back over to the 2-day time frame now. And we want to see, you guys can tell that we're actually at a major crossroads right now. Like the market is going to make a decision real soon to see whether or not price and the buyers are going to be able to uphold price alongside this trend and even 34 cents. It's going to happen. Now, like I told you, we've seen weakness trade around this area. There's not no strength coming in right now. The weakness is still pressuring the buyers. They're still keeping this pressure on, to which the market is still geared to continue to go down. Yes. I'm just trying to set the expectations, because I don't want all of you all to get placed in some very bad positions because people have been telling you to come in and buy this cryptocurrency when the market is telling us a different story. Right? Yes. So now, let's say price in CRO does break the trend. That's cool. It's no big deal if buyers come in around 34 cents though. Because actually I'm looking for the market in CRO to break the trend. But hopefully the buyers would come in around 34 cents, 35 cents to keep the market really from falling and crashing. Because let's say the price in CRO does crash or break that ascending line and even break 34 cents to the downside. Where would be the next logical area for us to see this market go? Yeah, where would it be? Can you see it on the chart? Because I can. If you can't, let me show it to you. All right, I got you. Look at this. Here it is right here. This is the next level that we can see the market in CRO come down towards. I know nobody else is giving me this information. I'm giving you all a heads up. This is the edge that we have. Okay, so let me go ahead and drop this price prediction in the market for you all so that we can see what our expectations are. Okay, so now right now, as of this day, I'm gonna keep it a buck. The market doesn't look extremely weak. It doesn't look like that right now. Okay, because if it was, then I'll be telling you all that, yeah, be prepared for the price to drop to 25 cents. I don't see that yet. But what I do see is the market in CRO continuing to go down in price. Now, that is going to be as long as the market does not trade above 45 cents. We're going to look for price to fall in CRO. Got it? And that means that we're going to expect the market to break this trend. Yes, this ascending line. So given that that's the case, let me get rid of this because I'm not looking for the market to hold that line. I need to get prepared. I need to get ahead of everyone else so that I can be prepared for what's about to happen. Now, this is the first area. 33 to 34 cents. Yeah, that's the first area that we need to take the bag to profit from the price prediction right there. That would give us what? 11, almost 12%. Okay. The second area is going to be down here towards 32 cents. Now that's how far I'm gonna go. I got 25 cents though for the long term. I just want to put that there. Let me get rid of it because I don't want to scare everybody who views this video. Just look for the price and CRO as of this particular moment to go down. Okay, we're going to look for it to dip slightly. Now, again, that doesn't mean that I'm looking for the crash. Like I said, I really don't see the market in CRO really getting prepared for a crash. I don't see that right now. But hey, if we continue to see the weakness on the chart, best believe that this market is going to try to come down to this 25 cent level. All right. Now, I don't have it on the chart yet. I just want to get you all prepared. All right, I'm done. That was your turn. You guys can let me know, what do you think the price in crypto.com is going to do? Yeah, what do you think? Because either way, we need to get ahead of the game. We got to get ahead of everybody else who is participating in this market. What do you see? Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.